Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Crunchyroll on PS5. Easy guide step by step clearly. Turn on your PS5 and make sure you are connected to the internet. From the PS5 home screen, go to the Media tab at the top. Scroll through the apps list until you find Crunchyroll. If Crunchyroll is not installed, open PlayStation Store and search for Crunchyroll. Select Crunchyroll and download it. Then wait until the installation finishes. Open the Crunchyroll app from your media home screen. On the first screen, choose Login or Sign In. If you see an option for Activate Device, select it. On your TV screen, note the activation code that appears. On your phone or computer, open a web browser. Go to the official Crunchyroll activation page shown on your PS5 screen. Log in with your Crunchyroll email and password if prompted on the website. Carefully type the activation code from the PS5 into the website field. Confirm by selecting Activate, Continue, or Submit on the website. Go back to your PS5 and wait a few seconds for the app to refresh. If the app does not refresh automatically, close Crunchyroll and open it again. When you are logged in, you should see your profile or the home catalog. If you prefer email login directly on PS5, choose Login with email if available. Enter your Crunchyroll email address using the on-screen keyboard. Enter your password carefully and double-check for typos. Select Login and wait for the app to verify your account. If you forgot your password, choose Forgot Password and follow the reset link on your email. If login fails, confirm your PS5 date and time settings are correct. Check that your internet connection is stable by testing connection in PS5 settings. Make sure your Crunchyroll subscription is active if you expect premium content. If you use the wrong account, open Crunchyroll settings and select Logout. Log in again using the correct email, password, or activation method. Once logged in, try playing an episode to confirm everything works properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.